Okay, this is the third time I'm going to try to make this video. It is not working right today, but we'll try again. Hey, just for you, my special algebra students. Okay, what we're starting now is called systems of equations. System just means more than one. And what happens is that every time you add a variable to the problem, you have to add another equation to the problem. So, if I have one variable, I need one equation. We already did that. If I have two variables, I have two equations. Now, two variable equation are lines. So if I had two lines that don't intersect, that's parallel. And there's no points in common, so it'd be no solution. If I have an intersection, it has one point in common, so it'd be one solution. And the third choice is you could have two equations that look different, but are actually the same line. And if it's the same line, it means it's an infinite number of solutions. So that's your three choices. Either we have parallel, no solutions in common, one solution in common, which is an intersection, or the same line. Now, we're going to learn three methods. There's more that you can learn, but we're going to learn three. One of them is the graphic method, which is just graph both lines on the same coordinate system and see what happens. So here I have two equations, two unknowns, x and y. So I'm going to graph this one by doing intercepts, because x and y are the same side. I have the x-intercept, which is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-intercept, which is also 4. And I'm going to connect the dots. Whoa, that's not too bad. Well, thank you. This one I have the y-intercept and the slope, solve for y. So I go -2. The slope is 2, so it'd be up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Oh, look, it must be an intersection. Oops. There we go. And it crosses at 2, 2. Let's see if that's true. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yay. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 is 2. So that's 2, 2. Yes. Graphic method has some problems, though. What if I graphed it perfectly? What if I graphed it and the answer was right here? What's that answer? I don't know, 1.3, 1.4, 1. I don't know. That's one drawback of the graphic method. The other drawback is how often do we graph perfectly? Oh my. So you should know the graphic method, but I'm not going to test you on the graphic method. So the next thing we're going to learn this week is called the substitution method. And I'm going to test you on that. But not the graphic method. I'm not that big on it, and just people tend to mess it up because it is so easy to mess it up, like this problem. So, thank you very much.